drinks on the table, and I wanna do something nice, and I'm hoping you're able to be ready for the show tonight. So go ahead and eat up, cause I wanna eat up all this energy that you're giving me, but I just can't wait to take you down slow. Just hold on a little more. I done got your nails done, I done got your hair done. It's about you, pretty lady. I'm so glad I'm with you tonight. Here's what we gon' do tonight. Ain't nothing to think about. Girl, you're so incredible. I'ma try to press your buttons now. Let me undress the